Okay.
It's
Oh,
not.
bless you.
It's not snow, Spencer. It's flour.
I got like my hand.
Again, yes. Okay, let's put this on. Right in the middle.
I can do it. I
Okay.
can make a star.
Now we'll pick it up.
I like to pick it up.
Okay, there. Look at that.
I'm holding it.
You are holding the star cookie, and we put it on the cookie tray.
Yeah.
Just like that.
I'm gonna put it on a cookie tray.
Right. Okay, spread the flour again. Okay. Press it down.
It's a good Hi. Squeeze it.
Okay. Cut the star
I
shape.
do-